Amazon is getting ready for a spending spree that's honestly hard to wrap your head around, and it's sending massive shockwaves through the entire tech industry. Okay, let's get right into it and unpack what is really going on here. So let's just start with the number, the one that's causing all this commotion. $200 billion. Yeah, that's what Amazon is projecting it's going to spend. It's a number so huge, it almost doesn't even feel real.
So, the big question is, of course, why? What could possibly be worth that kind of money? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down right here.
First, we've got to talk about the sheer scale of this plan, because it's not just big, it's the kind of thing that completely resets what everyone else thought was possible. To really see what I'm talking about, this chart puts it all into perspective. So for 2025, spending was expected to be around $131 billion. The market experts, the analysts, they figured it might creep up to about $147 billion. But Amazon's plan for 2026, it doesn't just pass those numbers, it completely demolishes them, soaring all the way up to that crazy $200 billion mark. And you have to remember, this isn't happening in a vacuum. Other tech giants have already been announcing their own huge spending plans, and that alone was enough to make investors nervous. But Amazon's number just dwarfs everybody else's. It's taking that market anxiety to a whole new level. So where is all of this money going? The answer, it turns out, is right at the foundation of the whole AI revolution. Nearly all of that $200 billion is going to one thing: data centers. You can basically think of these as the engine rooms for the 21st century. They're these massive, power-hungry buildings that hold all the specialized computer gear you need to run generative AI, create incredibly complex simulations, and power the next generation of everything on the cloud. So it's really important to see this as more than just a cost. It's a huge strategic bet. Amazon is basically signaling with absolute confidence that building out this core AI infrastructure is the key to winning in a world where AI is going to be part of everything we do. But, and this is a big but, this massive investment is having the complete opposite effect somewhere else. While Amazon is betting the farm, its huge push is creating absolute panic in another corner of the tech world, the software industry. It's this wild contrast, right? On one side, you have the AI infrastructure giants like Amazon just pouring in money with total confidence. And on the other side, you've got the software as a service, or SaaS market, and they are basically staring into the abyss. And this quote from a market analysis just nails the mood perfectly. Is it illogical panic or a SaaS apocalypse? I mean, wow, you can just feel the anxiety. For these traditional software companies, the stakes could not be any higher. The thinking behind this sell-off is actually pretty straightforward. Every time a new AI tool gets released, something that can write its own code, design a marketing plan, or manage a project, investors see a direct threat. They start worrying that the software platforms they pay for every month are about to become obsolete. And that's what triggers a huge downturn. So let's zoom out. What does this all mean for the big picture? This whole market mess isn't really just about stocks and spending. It's a symptom of a much, much deeper shift in technology. This whole disruption is pointing to a new era, one that some are calling human by machine, or HXM. This is a future where AI isn't just a better tool, it's a partner that actually works with us, making us way more capable. Think about it this way. Traditional software gave us a better hammer. The HXM model gives us an AI assistant that helps us build the entire house. And that panic in the software market, that's just the first tremor of this massive change. Which, leaves us with the ultimate question. In this massive AI gold rush, where companies are spending hundreds of billions to stake their claim, who is going to build the winning platforms for this new human by machine future, and which of today's giants are going to get left behind in the dust?